Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Luvme Hair. Today I'll be showing you guys Luvme Hair's PartingMax Glueless wig. It is a water wave texture, a 7x6 HD lace closure, 100% human hair, and this is marketed to be a ready to go wig, which means it's going to be simple, quick, and easy. I have this wig in 20 inches and in 150% density. Now installing this wig was super quick and easy because it is 100% glueless, which is great, and because this is a water wave texture, she was very easy to work with. And as you guys can see on the screen, I'm showing you all the parting space that you have. This is a 7x6 lace closure, so if you want to switch up your parting space, you can. However, the wig does come in a side part and the lace is pre-cut. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm giving you guys an unboxing as always. They do send like a user guide as well as some gifts along with your wig unit in itself. So here is the wig here. Once again, this is a water wave texture, 100% human hair. I have it in 20 inches and in 150% density. Straight out of the box, the wig was definitely soft, very bouncy, and the curls were really defined. And that lace was really pretty as well. And as I mentioned earlier, she does come pre-cut, pre-plucked for you. So they did the whole thing for you, all right? Now, if you guys see those little holes inside of this wig cap, this is what's called a breathable wig cap. And it's perfect for the summer. It's just so your scalp can breathe while you actually have the wig on. Get a little bit of air in there, that way you're not feeling too hot. So before I throw the wig on, as always, I'm going to add some foundation on there. This is just to make sure that the lace matches my skin tone as best as possible. So I make sure I get the foundation all over the lace. Then once I throw the wig on, if I need it to be tighter, I'll just make use of that elastic band. Luvme Hair wigs are pretty loose on me. We've talked about this before, so I definitely use the elastic band every single time just to help get a more secure fit. Later on, you guys will see me add just a little bit of spray as well because the lace was sliding just a tad bit, but the elastic band definitely does help. I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick and my comb to get all of the hair out of my face, and then we are going to get a closer look at this HD lace. So while looking at the lace, I noticed that even though it's pre-cut, there were some pieces that I wanted to cut more of, so I went ahead and I did that. Then I just added a little bit more foundation right at the edges of the lace to help blend her in a lot better. And I believe I added a little bit of spray just like I mentioned earlier. Unfortunately, the lace was sliding back just a little bit, like nothing crazy, but like if I made a certain face, my wig was slipping and I did not like that. So I went ahead and added just a little bit of spray on the lace as well. And this is only because the wig cap unfortunately is too big for me. Alright, so let's go ahead and style the rest of the hair. As you guys can see, the curls are pretty defined. She has a natural shine to her. She has a natural bounce to her. She definitely does look 150% density until I run my fingers through her. Once I run my fingers through her and separate those curls, that's where the extra density came in, which is definitely great. You do not want to have a curly wig unit. Even if it is a water wave, you don't want to have a curly wig unit that looks super thin. We don't like that, right? So as I continue to run my hands through the hair, I did have some shedding, which I gave you guys a clip of, but we got that density, so that was awesome. So after I finished finger detangling, I went ahead and I just added some water throughout the hair and a little bit of gel, and I kept it as simple as that. that. The shedding wasn't too bad. I gave you guys some clips in this video just so you're aware. I didn't have any issues with tangling. As far as the smell, it smelled like hair, so it wasn't really too bad though. It wasn't like a chemical smell or a strong perfumey type of smell. It just smelled like hair. But my favorite thing about this wig is of course the lace, and I did appreciate the fact that it is a breathable wig cap, because now that it is summer and it's super hot outside, wig caps like that definitely come in handy. That way you're not sweating the entire time underneath your wig. So here is a close-up of the hair. As you guys can see, it looks really pretty. I'm gonna do the same exact method to the other side. This is what the hair looks like while it is wet. It looks really pretty. As you guys can see, we still got that definition there, and the volume is going to come back once she dries. I did not put too much product in this hair because it is only 150% density and it is a water wave. I always tell you guys that the best way to get the maximal density out of this hair is to ensure that you're not using way too much product. You don't want to use too much. You want to use enough so that the curls are defined, but you don't want to go crazy. But this is the final look of the hair. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I kind of settled for right in the middle of definition and volume. In the beginning of this video, when we first took this wig out of the box, she definitely had a lot more definition. When I finger detangled her the very first time, that was a lot more volume. And after my curly hair routine, we're kind of like right in the middle. So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out the description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.